What's up guys, welcome to another Kaspa video, and today let's talk about some bullish factors on Kas. Will it hit its all-time high before August? And of course, how much Kaspa do you need to be a millionaire? Because I see a lot of unrealistic price predictions, but you better want to be conservative, otherwise you will be the one left holding the bags. And I think you don't want to wait for another 4 years to get your bags ready to make some life-changing money. And before we get into this, if you're lone wolfing this bull run or you didn't sort out your portfolio, make sure to join my private group. We are happy to help you. If you want to take track of my buy alerts, sell alerts, what projects I'm eyeing, if you have some other questions regarding cryptocurrency, get in the group. Let's make some life-changing money together. Let's get back to Kaspa, because what is happening lately? And what is the bullish news? Well, the Kaspa hash rate peaks. And why is this bullish for the Kas price? So basically what happened is the Kaspa's hash rate recently peaked at the 645 pH per second. If you don't know what pH is, it means theta, and that means a factor of 10 times 15. You can see it as a 1 with 15 zeros. And a hash is a result produced by a hash function, which is a mathematical algorithm that takes an input and converts it into a fixed length string of characters. In the context of crypto mining, hashing is used to validate transactions and secure the blockchain. So I hope it's clear for you. If you have other questions, make sure to ask them in the comment section. But it peaked at the 645 pH per second, marking a significant milestone that demonstrates the network's robust security and stability. This increase in hash rate has positively influenced the price of gas, which has seen a 3% rise this week to about 18 cents, and it's holding strong. It even touched the 19 cents. And a major factor contributing to this surge is the Marathon Digital Holdings, also known as Mara, which started mining Kaspa a month ago. Since then, Kaspa's hash rate has grown by approximately 100 pH per second. Marathon's per surge of 60 pH of mining machines indicates that other major Bitcoin mining companies have also started mining Kaspa, attracted by its higher profitability compared to Bitcoin. This development suggests several positive outcomes for Kaspa. First, the increased hash rate enhances the network security and stability, making it more resilient. And second, Marathon's involvement brings greater attention and credibility to Kaspa, likely attracting more miners and investors to stimulate the growth within the Kaspa community. And of course, Marathon's strategy to diversify into Kaspa shows confidence, which may encourage other mining companies to invest in Kaspa as well. So in overall, Kaspa, with its growing interest from both individual and institutional miners, is increasing the participation. It will help to continue boosting Kaspa's hash rate and network stability, fostering further development and of course higher prices for Kas. So while most of the cryptos are dumping right now, Kaspa is holding strong at a local top, and it's hitting almost the 19 cents. It's on a $4.5 billion in market cap, and the volume to market cap ratio is decent at 2.4%. And if you don't know what Kaspa is, if you want an explanation, it solves the trilemma. In my opinion, it's the digital silver. Kaspa is something what Bitcoin wanted to do, but wasn't able to. It's scalable, it's secured, and of course, decentralized. And it's not only promising, but it's also been tested and proven. And I believe if you're buying into Kaspa, even though it pumped a lot from the early investors, I think you are still early. This could be a top 10 crypto, but of course it all depends on the exchange listings as well. It's on all the big tier 2s, but there's no Coinbase, there's no Binance. It has $105 million in volume, which is huge. It's not a matter of if, but a matter of when that Kaspa gets a big tier 1 listing. This is the best chart I've ever seen in a crypto, and I believe 18 cents, 19 cents is still early. However, I wouldn't recommend in just buying the tops. It's touching all-time high. I do believe we can see a 15 cents. It depends on the whole market sentiment, of course. But the big question is, what really matters? At what price can I see Kaspa? Because I made a couple of videos explaining why Kaspa isn't going to at $10 this altcoin season, because you would have over a 260 billion in market cap, which I think is a bit of a stretch. However, I do think that it can reach between a $2 and $4 maybe at $5, but me, along with a lot of early investors, will be out before then. So be careful with YouTubers stating that Kaspa will hit at $10, $20. Make sure to check out my Kaspa video I made previous time if you want to understand why. Fully disclosure, Kaspa is like 50% of my portfolio, and if you have been accumulating Kaspa during the last year or last months instead of going full degen in these low caps, you would be in profit. So take this as a lesson. Don't go all in on degen picks because you want 100x. These picks are risky, these picks are volatile. You can trade those picks. But if you want a steady portfolio, a steady store of value, which is gradually increasing your portfolio, then Kaspa is the one. I'm not a financial advisor. Hit the likes, do your own research, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.